I love each and every one of you.
I do too. And I love you.
Ew.
I love you too, Michael.
Your fucking ass sounded like it was hollowing out. Oh my god. What all did you put in there?
I don't know.
Whoa! Oh man, I've been to that motherfucking candle. Fuck.
Okay.
Oh, God. That was good cake.
Alright, come on. I'm sorry. Come give me a hug.
Oh my
There's
god.
your hug. Dumbass. You ready to work?
Oh my god!
Whoa.
Oh my god!
Shout out to Goof this one.
You guys. Jesus
Damn.
Christ!
That's kind of like the beginning to Iron Man.
I'm gonna make Michael think I cut up my damn arm. That's what I think about that.
What's he doing?
Oh God, man.
Shit out your mouth. Oh my god.
That is just fucking fucked up. Hey, fuck.
Right, I'm sick of this shit with you! Let's get new turn. It's covered in glass! You think this is funny, dude?
Oh.
Oh, Jesus. Ow! Stand up.
Let's get them apart.
You're just trying to be... What is with you?
I don't know, man.
God damn.
You know,
I believe that.
then we're gonna have to send you somewhere.
Nursing home or something.
Believe that.
Oh god.
Woo! Good God Almighty.
Happy Easter.
Happy Easter, Grandpa!
Thank you.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Yeah, that's what I think about Book of Thorns. That's like that black one I had.
Yeah.
I said black green for a week. That's the bird. That's the bird to go to the Whopper.
Doing Charlie work right now. You're just gonna blow this.
Now that was an Angry Bird.
I like it.
I like it too.
It's got the light at the top.
Okay.
Oh my
Bye,
god.
guys.
Hey, you better watch it. Y'all know what I'll do.
I don't know.
What, fart?
I'll fart again.
Dad farted again a second ago and it was louder than the other one. I didn't record it.
Oh my god.
You know I need to advise you not to do this.
Well, you can advise all you want. Oh God.
You're right. I just would like to try to find a way to resolve it without conflict.
Oh, God.
Damn.
That's like the ninth part I've done since I've sat here.
God damn, dude. You can get it at the Angry Grandpa store. Link popping in on the side right now. Shameless self-promotion.
Oh god.
Mac and cheese. Oh shit, damn.
You're gonna get your...
Oh my god.
Oh, that scared the shit out of him. Uh-uh.
I did it. You know what that is, right?
Oh, God.
You know what that is, right?
Yeah, that's stink bait.
No, that's bait for these people. Catch them. I'm tired of living there.
That's fine. You want a good
You
apartment?
understand that? I'm tired of living there.
That's fun the shit out of it.
Okay. That's what I think of it.
That's fine.
Oh, man.
Jesus.
Gotta get
I turned up right when I turned on the camera. I want.
Oh God, Lonnie.
Jesus Christ.
It ain't funny.
Yeah, it kind of is.
You keep laughing, I'll show you what's funny.
What does that mean? I don't think so.
That's funny. Where the fuck out? How you get in line? Goddamn.
What are you talking about? You going back?
Hell yeah, get some more damage, boy. That's
Dad.
that minute was worth it.
You gonna sit here and
Michael
talk to me.
brought
This
you
ain't-
gifts.
Get out! Where'd you get this big TV
It's
from?
none of your business.
Oh my god. Alright.
Now there you go. You goddamn that one.
I got another word begins with S.
Right on Bridget's cake. Right on the cake.
I'm baking, okay? I'm going through recipes.
Oh,
Look, Bridget
cool.
made cake.
Oh my god.
Hey, leave my cake alone. Go nip my cake.
Okay, fine.
Thanks for making all this food for us, Dad.
Yeah, now make some take home.
Yeah, that's what I was about to do. Oh,
Oh, that was shit.
you were way too close to
You
get going.
shit. Did you hear that?
That's not a whip.
Well, October's over. Now we're moving into November.
Yep.
God dang.
That's my compliment to Pizza Hut.
I'm sorry. I believe you. I think you. Jesus.
So, well,
Oh my god.
I just christened your house. Let's take up. I think there's a lot more coming too.
oh God, no! Oh, bro, we did it again! Oh! Dad just freaking farted and it is bad this time.
Chinese.